Sasuke! So, the Uchiha, probably right up there with coolest character designs. Or like the most emo sort of character designs in anime. Just slick looking. So, let's draw Sasuke. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hip pause if I go too fast. So, this is kind of a good one because his hair, he's looking back over his shoulder and his hair covers most of his face, right? So, it's like, it's kind of easy, well, I think. And his nose is going this way, right? So we'll do this capital letter L sort of shape, right? So it curves that way. It's like an upside down 7 or an L, and just goes in. And this is kind of broken in the drawing, like there's a little bit of a gap. You can do that if you want. You don't have to. And his nostril is here. So then his brow kind of goes this way down at the top and goes behind his hair then. So his eye, you can kind of only see half of it, right? So we can see like the top eyelid line just here, right? It's kind of like a thick sort of a line. Goes behind his hair. And then his eyeball goes that way. And then his bottom eyelid line comes down and sort of flicks down for the bump of his skin. And then his circle, it's black in the picture, but I'm going to do Sharingan, I think, right? In there. Now, you could do it black if you want. But first we got to like cut it off. So we got to like do this hairline. So you got to like go right down here. And then back up. Okay, so that's like his hair. And then the other side of it here. Right, so now we can kind of finish the stuff in here. So we can go with his eyelid on the top. And then we can see a bit of his eyebrow in here. And maybe like a bit of it here as well. And that's sort of just black going around his forehead there. And we'll go with a Sharingan. That's kind of like the pupil, just real small, just there. And we could probably just see 2 of those sort of marks. So a dot there and maybe a dot there. You can put them anywhere, but I'll do there. And then it kind of flicks up. And then this one will flick up as well. And then we get like a little circle that goes around the pupil, like connects these Sharingans. These little commas. So it kind of makes his eye kind of look like a bullseye, kind of. So then, like the rest of his hair, it's all about the hair in this one. So it's kind of flat at the front. And then we have the long pieces here. Okay, then we get his ear sticking out like at the top and somewhere here. Yeah, here. It's pretty big, so it comes down. Then it goes into his jaw, like in there somewhere. And you get some ear lines. And we can just see like a little bit of his jawline here. And then I think they do just like his neck muscle kind of there. So like this neck muscle would sort of go up in there. It's a bit of a shadow just under his chin. So we can just see like, say his top lip just here. And then a bit of his chin. And then like that, there's like a little bit of a shadow section. It's like his chin joins his neck a little bit. Just there. It's like a little shadow in there. So his collar cuts off the chin. So it's kind of, yeah, like that, I'd say. And then the rest of his hair, so it's all these black hair spikes. Pretty big up here. There's like maybe a smaller one first, and then these all go this way then. Kind of like shark fins. And then I think it's just flat on top right down to this area. And that's all black, and then we can just see a bit of his neck. And then his shoulders. So his shoulder just goes off this side here. Can't see the other side, so I've got to make it up a little bit. So if I was a shoulder, where would I be? I would be maybe slightly narrower, just going down that way. It's like his back. And then we have that sort of shape, the symbol of the Uchiha clan. It's like that half moon shape. And then we get the next part. I think it's supposed to be a fireball. But there you go. Sasuke, a nice easy one of Sasuke, I think. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.